how to get the money you need to kill your chronic pain. Now, ideally, you have insurance, and insurance covers everything. But if you're like anyone on the planet who's got chronic pain, you know insurance is a nightmare and it does not cover everything. And a lot of people don't have insurance. So insurance doesn't cover everything. A lot of people don't have insurance. What are you going to do to kill your chronic pain and take back your life if you don't have enough insurance, or you don't have insurance at all to pay for the treatments, the medications, the all the different things that you can explore to kill your chronic pain? The best way, of course, is to have your own business or to run your own business for a lot of reasons. I've had my own business since, like I did corporate America too, but I always had a business on the side since my 20s, because I knew that given my health situation, I was going to have a source of income that wasn't dependent on someone else. Because working in corporate America, I learned when I had health challenges and was off work, I didn't necessarily get paid. Sometimes I did, sometimes I didn't. There's a thing called disability insurance, but it doesn't always pay everything that you're used to getting either. So I learned early on that I was going to have to figure out a way to take care of myself and not count on insurance, a job, a spouse, or anything outside of myself. Now that is a huge undertaking and a lot of responsibility. And actually, it's the only way to actually ensure that you're going to get what you need to take care of and kill your chronic pain, because nobody can fix it and do it for you. Just like nobody can, you can't count on anyone outside of you to provide the resources that you need to get what you need, because only you know what you need to take care of your health, or mental or emotional or spiritual or financial, because a lot of times we have chronic pain because we have financial challenges, right? So to me, the best answer is to do something on your own. And I had small businesses in 27 different industries. I've had 27 different type businesses in a bunch of different industries. I'll have to count up the industries. But the struggle with that is there's a lot of whole able-bodied normal people that fail at having their own business and doing their own thing. So how is it that someone with chronic pain like you and me, who have physical, emotional, mental, spiritual challenges on top of our normal everyday living, how are we going to possibly pull that off? Well, I think we're actually better at pulling that off and more likely to succeed at that because we have a bigger why. We know that the alternative is much, much worse. As hard and as stressful as it might be to have your own business and do your own thing, it's a lot less stressful than reporting to someone else and letting them control your livelihood and whether you will or will not get paid for something, whether you can or cannot take the time off of work to take care of yourself. It's a lot less stressful, and we're a lot more likely to create and have success in our businesses. And I might do a study on that because I'm really curious now about the statistics about people that have chronic pains and have their own businesses versus just normal people that start their own business. Because I suspect that there's a higher success rate for those of us with chronic pain than there is not. And I think that that is just the opposite of what people would believe or anticipate. So the best way is to do your own thing. Success in anything is a formula, and there's a system for getting it. It's knowing what you want and knowing why you want it. And we have a huge, strong why we want it. And so that almost guarantees our success. We have to visualize what we want as if we've already got it with all kinds of emotion and feeling. We have to have faith that it's on its way and that we can make it happen, and confidence that no matter what happens, we'll figure it out. We'll make it out. It's another place that we with chronic pain have an advantage because we've survived so much more than the average person, so much more than the normal person. We know that we're capable of anything. If we can survive to today, if we can get through all that we've gotten through, running a little business on the side to create the income that we want to create the life that we want and to ensure our best health, our best treatment, our best everything is so much more doable. It just increases our confidence and our knowing that we can do it. If we can survive this, I had a sudden cardiac arrest and died. I don't think there's anything impossible for me. If I can die and still be here, what else is there? Most people on the planet are afraid of dying. I've already been there and done that. So I'm not afraid of it at all anymore. So what else is possible, right? So then knowing that and having the confidence to do it, then just taking some action and adjusting as we go along. That is the key to success in anything. That's how we kill our chronic pain. That's how we run our businesses. And we could do I could do a whole day training on the best type and how to start step by step your business to make sure that you're successful. But there's so many possibilities. Can't possibly cover it in a short little video here on YouTube. If you would like to find out more about that or join a support group of just amazing people that are just like you and just like me, chronic pain patients, people that have either chronic pain, chronic illness. And remember, pain can be more than just physical or just illness. Pain, the medical industry kind of cornered the market on that and called it a medical condition, but there's also mental, emotional, financial, relationship, chronic pain. If it's lasted more than 3 months and it's giving you pain and causing you problems and impacting your life, that is chronic pain. And that you can get help for in this amazing free support group we have on Facebook called Chronic Painkillers. I'll share the link below and I'll see you on the inside.